Hi everyone, are you ready to supercharge your data analysis skills with powerful and versatile Excel formula? In this exciting YouTube tutorial, we are diving into the world of SUMPRODUCT. This is often overlooked formula is a game changer when it comes to crunching numbers and performing advanced calculations. So get ready to unlock the true potential of your data with the SUMPRODUCT formula. Let's get started.
Don't forget to subscribe KnowHow and press the bell icon for more videos.
This is the data that I will use to demonstrate you the use of SUMPRODUCT formula. Normally, to calculate the grand total, first we have to calculate the amount. So how we can calculate the amount is by writing equal and then multiplying the rate with the quantity. To calculate the amount for the rest of the values, I am going to use this drag and drop method. And then I have to write equal sum bracket start and then add all these values bracket close and press enter. So this is your grand total, but now I'm going to demonstrate you a method in which you don't need to calculate the individual amount. You can calculate the grand total without calculating the individual amount. For this purpose, I'm going to write equal and then write SUMPRODUCT. After this, I have to provide the array 1. Array 1 is actually the rate. Then I have to write comma and then I will provide the array 2, that is the quantity. And after this, I am going to close this bracket and press enter. Now you can see that it has calculated the grand total without the amount. So I am going to delete this column. I will select these three cells and under the home tab I have the merge cell button. I will click it and merge them. Now I will write grand total and now I am going to center align it, increase its font size, making it bold, and then select the grand total row and apply all borders. So you are all set. Your grand total is calculated with the help of SUMPRODUCT formula. And there you have it. By harnessing this full potential of SUMPRODUCT, you can save time and efforts in your data analysis task. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it elevates your Excel skills to the new heights. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more empowering Excel tips and tricks. Thank you for watching and happy spreadsheeting.